Hello everyone. We will discuss the features of the upcoming new version of React, that is React-19. While React-19 is still under development, we received the updates from the React team over the past 1.5 years. But there has been some exciting announcement in February 2024 about what we expect and also revealed some features of the new version. Some of the features are React compiler. Now this is an important development of React since past few versions. This will transform React code into standard JavaScript. This has the potential to significantly boost performance. It will also manage the automated memoization. Then the next feature is actions, where it will make work easier with forms. This simplifies handling data and interactions within web pages. It provides a more efficient way to manage form submission and other user interactions. Server component, that is React-19, will allow rendering components on the server itself. And this will improve initial page load time and SEO, that is search engine optimization as well. This feature has been there in React, but in React-19 it's going to sound more promising. Then the next feature is improving the asset loading. So React-19 optimizes the asset loading to enhance performance, which will improve the experience of the end user. Assets can load in the background to reduce the waiting time in front of users. Then there is document metadata feature, which actually will simplify the document metadata management. This new version will introduce the document head component. It will lead to cleaner code and improved developer experience. Then there is a support of web components as well. Now, this will allow flexible approach to integrate web component in React code. This development allows a vast ecosystem of web components in React code. This ability will also enhance to match with other frameworks. Then another important thing, new hooks are also going to be there in the React-19 version. So hooks like use form status, use form state, and use optimistic. These are the hooks you may see in the next version. Now new hooks such as use will simplify use of promises, async code, and context. Hook like use form status will enhance the control over the forms. It will give you status of last form submission. Use form state will allow to update the state based on the result of form submission. And a hook like use optimistic will enhance the user experience by showing different states of async action. It looks like upgrading React-19 can make the development process smooth and streamlined. So these are some new features of the upcoming version of React. We'll explore all the new features of React-19 one by one, but not today. We are also awaiting the final launch of React-19. It may be launched in the next official conference of React in May 2024.